You are a lawyer by profession.
Correct.
And you were a prosecutor for many years.
Yes.
Are you not worried about possible ramifications in the future for you, a possible impeachment or being tried in the international court?
Good question. Before you can begin, you must determine that I have committed a crime in my country. That I have committed mass murders in my country and then charge with that. There can be no ramifications when I say that I will kill you if you destroy my land. It's a legitimate statement of any general, of any wartime president, of any tribal leader to say those things. Of course, you said there can be consequences, but I am not worried. I do not make any projections.
Meanwhile,
is of course the question of corruption, which became wholly associated with the Philippines for a long period of time. I think contemporary court judgments acknowledge the atrocities that were committed, but also